Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter that is about the HCF and the LCM. Okay, so in the previous chapter, in the chapter 5, we have done factors and the multiples. Now that factors and multiples help us to find out the HCF and LCM, because HCF is highest common factor, highest common factor. So we will use our factors here, and LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple. So multiple we will use in the LCM also. And we also today in this exercise we will do the only HCF. Okay. So HCF is also called the GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay. जो हमारा HCF होता है वो greatest common divisor भी होता है given numbers का. Okay. So let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose I am having 2 and 8. I am having 2 and 8. Okay. So HCF. HCF means highest common factors. पहले 2 के factors लेते हैं यहाँ पे. Factors of 2. Factors of 2. 2 के कौन कौन से factor होते हैं? 2 किस किस से divide होता है? So 2 is coming in the table of 1 and 2. What are the factors of 8? 8 is coming in the table of 1, 2, 4 and 8. Yes. So highest common factor. Common factor. Common factors means जो दोनों में है. Common कौन है? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. 1 and 2. So यहाँ से हमारा HCF क्या हो जाएगा? Highest common factor क्या हो जाएगा? 1 into 2. That means 2. Okay. So 2 एक ऐसा नंबर है, ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर है. ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर मीन्स जो दोनों नंबर को डिवाइड करेगा. 2 को भी डिवाइड करेगा एंड इट विल डिवाइड 8 also. Okay. So this is the greatest common divisor. So you have to learn these two names and full forms also. Now let's start our exercise. How to find out the HCF. Okay, and we can say how to find out the GCD, greatest common divisor. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the numbers with the help of multiplication tables by inspection. Means in the question number 1, 2 and 3, we have to use a method, that is inspection method you can say, or you can say multiplication tables. Okay. So here part 1, question number 1, first part, what is given to us? 3 and 6. Okay. So here we have to check in which table these two numbers are coming. Means हमें वो सभी tables यहाँ पे find out करनी है जिस टेबल में ये दोनों ही आते हैं. ठीक है. We know that 1 की टेबल में तो हर एक नंबर आ जाएगा. Yes, but except 1 के अलावा और किस टेबल में ये दोनों आते हैं? So we know that 3 and 6 both are coming only in the multiplication table of 3. दोनों only 3 की टेबल में ही आते हैं, किसी और टेबल में दोनों नहीं आते. We know that 6 is coming in the table of 2 also, but 3 is not coming in that. So हमें वो टेबल देखनी है जिसमें दोनों नंबर्स आते हैं. Okay. So here we know that 3 and 6 are present. 6 and 3 both are present. Both are present in the multiplication table of 3 only, or you can say only. Here we know that 3 and 6 both are present in the multiplication table of only 3. एक ही टेबल में आते हैं दोनों. ओके. सो यहाँ पे जो हमारा HCF है, वो क्या हो जाएगा? HCF of 3 and 6 is equal to 3, because दोनों 3 की टेबल में आते हैं. ओके. सो now this is your first part of the question number 1. Now I'm doing the question number 2 first part. Same way we will use. हम यही method use करेंगे. Same line we will use. Only digits will change. Okay. So now the second part here is 33 and 44. Okay. We know that 33 is divisible by 3 and by 11 also. And 44 is divisible by 2, 4 and 11. But here we need only that multiplication table in which both are coming. So these both number are coming in the table of 11 only. दोनों कौन सी टेबल में आते हैं? 11 की टेबल में. So that means यहाँ पे जो हमारा HCF है वो क्या हो जाएगा? 11. Okay, so you will write here we know that 33 and 44 both are present in the multiplication table of only 11. So that means HCF क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे हमारा? HCF will be only 11. Okay. Now the question number 2D part also we will do here. What is that? 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Now we have to check all the tables in which these both numbers are coming. Okay. So let's start. हम पहले फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. They are coming in the table of 2. 2 से दोनों ही डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. Yes. After that both are divisible by 3 also. 3 also both are divisible by 3 also. Both are divisible by और किससे डिवाइड हो जाते हैं दोनों? 4 से भी हो जाते हैं. Yes. 6 से भी 6 4 and 6 6 and not in the 7, not in 8 because 8 में it will be present, this will not present. 9 1 is present. 11 12 also both are coming in the table of 12 also. 12 2s and then 12 3s. After they are not present in any other table. उसके बाद ये किसी और टेबल में present नहीं है. Okay, both are not coming in any table. So in which table? What is the greatest number? What is the greatest number in which both are present? That is 12 because HCF means highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. So highest वो number या फिर we can say greatest common divisor. तो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट डिवाइजर कौन सा है जो दोनों को डिवाइड करेगा? दैट विल बी 12. सो HCF ऑफ 24 एंड 36 इज 12. यस. सो दिस इज अ मेथड इन विच वी हैव टू यूज द इंस्पेक्शन और वी कैन से मल्टीप्लीकेशन टेबल. नाउ द 3C पार्ट. Now the 3C part. What we have to do in this? 15 and 28 is given. 15 and 28. 15 is an odd number that is coming in the table of 3 and 5 only after in 15 also. And 28 is an even number that is coming in the table of 2, 4, 7 and then 14 and 28. But they are not coming in any common table. दोनों ही नंबर किसी एक टेबल में नहीं आते. So what will be the number that will divide both the number? That will be only 1. Okay. So here we will write. We know that both 15 and 28 are present in the multiplication tables of only 1. So यहाँ पे हमारा HCF क्या हो जाएगा? HCF will be only 1. Okay, because they both are not coming in any other table. 0 कभी भी नहीं होगा. क्या होगा? 1 होगा. Okay. Now the question number 4. In the question number 4, we have to find out HCF by finding factors. I told you one way to find factors. In the previous chapter, last exercise, and the, question number 7. I think the exercise question number 7. I told you how to find out the factor by using the division method. So that we will use here. Okay. Finding factors. how to find the factors by using the division method we will do. A part is 6 and 9. Okay, what are the factors of the 6? 6 के factors क्या होते हैं? आप इसको ऐसे करके भी कर सकते हैं and you can use that method also. ठीक है, जो हमने किया था, लेकिन आप ऐसे वाले मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर आप ऐसे मेथड यूज करेंगे तो फिर कैसे करेंगे? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन भी करते हैं हम ऐसे. ठीक है, here you can use this method also, but ये हम कल करेंगे in the prime factorization. Today we will use only that method, वो जो हमने डिवीजन वाला किया था. Okay, so 6 के फैक्टर क्या है? 6 को फर्स्ट हम डिवाइड करेंगे 1 से, we'll get 6. Then 6 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, we'll get 3. Divide 6 by 3, we will get 2. So repetition start हो गई यहाँ पे. That means only these 4 factors. Yes. So factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Yes. Now the factors of 9. 9 divided by 1, 9. 9 not divisible by 2. 3 से करेंगे, 3 3s are. Okay. After that अभी देखिए 3 3. तो इसके बाद तो ये किस पे जाएगा? 9 पे ही जाएगा. So यहीं पे जब आपका सेम नंबर रिपीट होता है 3 3 4 4, so that means आपको उससे आगे भी राइट नहीं करना है. So आपके ओनली these are the factors for the 9s. Okay, so लिख लीजिए factors of 9 is equal to 1, 3 and 9 only. निकालना क्या है? What we have to find out? HCF. HCF का मतलब क्या होता है? Highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. So यहाँ पे फैक्टर कॉमन कौन सा है? कॉमन ओनली 3. 3 इज कॉमन हियर. 1 इज ऑल्सो कॉमन. सो यहाँ से हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर कौन सा है दोनों में? 3. मीन्स दोनों 3 से डिवाइड होते हैं. ग्रेटेस्ट लेना है हमें इनमें से. सो हियर विल बी 3. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 3. नाउ दी फोर्थ ई पार्ट. What we have to do in the fourth E part? Same method we will use there. Finding factors we have to do there, or we will use this division method. Okay, so do that. Finding factors we have to find the factors. Fourth E part. What is given? Given is 72 and the 90. 72 and the 90. So now we have to find the factors of 72. कैसे निकालेंगे? 72 divided by 1 will get 72. 72 divided by 2 will get the 2 3s are 2 6s are. 72 divided by 3 will get 3 2s are 3 4s are. 72 divided by 4 we will get 4 4s are 4 8s are. Okay, so इसको रब कर देते हैं. Let's now this 72 divided by 5 नॉट 6 से हो जाएगा. 6 आप डिविजिबिलिटी रूल लर्न करेंगे यहाँ पे कि 72 किस किस से हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आप डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हो बिकॉज हमें अभी डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स पता है. yesterday we have done the divisibility rule also. so हम इसको चेक करके लिख सकते हैं किस किस से डिवाइड होगा. so 72 बिकॉज ये क्या है कि 2 से डिवाइड होता है, 3 से भी, so ये 6 से भी हो जाएगा. 6 1 जा and then 6 2 जा. Okay, after that 72 coming in the table of 8. 8 9s are and 72 divided by 9 9 8s are. Repetition started, so that means factors here. Factors मिल गए हमें. Okay, तो ये हमें सभी factors मिल गए हैं. Now the factors of the 90. Divide by 1 as it is 90. Divide by 2 will get the 45. Yes. 3 से डिवाइड करें 90. Yes, so it will be 30. 90 divided by 4, no, it will not divisible because last 2 digit है वो डिवाइड होनी चाहिए, but here that is not divisible. 5, yes, last is 0, so 5 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 5 1 जा, then 5 8 जा, means you can say 18 5 जा 90. Now divided by 6 also. 6 1 जा 6 5 जा 30. 90 divided by 9 also. 9 10s are and 10 also. Finish हो गया. Divide by 10 10 9s are. So हमारी repetition start हुई है यहाँ पे. So we will take the upper one from the repetition. You have to put this box with the help of the pencil. Pencil से लगाना है. Now finding factors. Greatest common factor कौन सा होगा? First write the factors of 72. Factors of 72. What are the factors of 72? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Factors of 90. What are the factors for 90? 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. Now make the pair of the common factors. 1, this, 3, then 6 also, 9 is also there, then here is 10, there is not, 12 is not here, 15 not, 18 also there, after that 30, 45, 90, no one is there. So what is the highest common factor? Highest common factor कौन सा है हमारा? 18. क्या है? 18. और you can say greatest common divisor. 18 ही greatest common divisor है, तो हमें यहाँ से सबसे बड़े वाला नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है, because we are saying greatest common divisor is a HCF. So यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? What will be our HCF? HCF is 18. Okay. So thank you class. You have to do only up to question number 4.